Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And we got I think we're going to call this one a shout out and what did you get Wednesday after Joe from Big Sky Model. He likes that what did you get Wednesday thing. I think that's pretty cool, so we'll throw one in. Now, the first thing we got is a shot card from Link Scales Models. Where he's got a nice little, I don't know what that is. I know that's a Chevy's, the Racer's Wedge, and I know that's a Camaro, and is that a Nova? I don't know. Well, maybe we'll just go check out his website and his channel and find out what all these cars are. Yeah. And we got a package from Value Gear. As many of you know, there is a group build going on for Pat over at Card Scale Models. He's got Off-Road Challenge, Off-Road Group Build Challenge, and that's what some of these things are going to be for. Let's see what we got here. We got some cards. We've got a bunch of cards. I'll take those to my model club meeting. And we got two things of 25th scale accessories. Give me just a second and we'll open these up. Now, in case you guys weren't aware, Value Gear has a lot of stuff for 35th scale models, especially armor that I have used before, which are really pretty good. Like, look at the details on this tarp. You see the buckles, the wrinkles in the materials. Nice rolled up stuff. This is actually pretty hard to make, and this looks like a beautiful job. And in this one, you can see that the ropes that are tying it down. A variety of nice little stuff, and we'll get a picture at the end of this. Oh, look at these tarps. What's this little thing? Number 2. Yeah, bedroll. Yeah, these are, you're going to see some of these painted up and in my off-road challenge build. We'll try to get a better picture of these at the end. The box with some rolls. Some more tarps. Oh, we got to pause for a dog break, maybe. Look at this, a little remote control thing in the box. And this used to be I think it's a mine, either a mine or a mine sweeper that was used in World War II. But another nice wooden crate with some tools in it. Very nice cooler that would go well in any model car display. Maybe one of these should be, I should put it in the back of that station wagon. An open can. That's very cool stuff. boxes, another little toolbox, tarps. So let's get everything straightened out here. This little one right here could be on any front seat in any model. Looks like a coil, but painted up like a soda can or bottle with a foamy thing on it. Yeah, it's probably what I'll do. This is from Universal Stowage Set number 242. And the other one was 246, this one over here that's got more like tents and bed rolls. At the PAMS meeting, our model club, Panhandle Area Modeling Society, we had a raffle, and this is what I won. It's a little box of accessory parts with vending machine. Well, this one was already opened, so there are a couple pieces missing. But it's got a vending machine. It's got a teddy bear. You know that's getting fucked. It's got a skateboard. It's got cigarette packs. It's got a clear thing for the front of the window. Some designs for the skateboard. This is pretty cool. And the raffle tickets were only $1, so yeah, that's a good deal. Let's see, and here's some close-ups of the pictures that are in it. And I also, you know, I've been putting out the videos of supporting your local hobby shop, so some other things I bought in there was this Vallejo plastic putty. I like this small dispenser tube where you're going to have a lot more control over the Tamiya putty. I don't know if it's as good yet because I haven't used it yet. It's still sealed. But we're going to try this out on a couple things. It's supposed to be water-based, so it might not stick to plastic quite as well, but we'll find out. Certainly could have used this when I was doing the tiger shark. Another thing I picked up was this Alpha knife. Now, we've all got our X-Acto knives and favorite ones like this, but I like the shape of this blade for a lot of things. And this one also has a needle scriber in it too. And and this end looks like it's like you could use it to move around decals. Really nice. It comes with 30 extra blades, and for 12 bucks, for 13 bucks, you're not going to get that many X-Acto knife blades for that. And these make, like I said, very good knives, very good blades. I use them a lot when I'm doing things with leather. And this just looks like a nice setup where everything, the spare blades, the holder, and everything's just kept in one nice little pack. I like that. No guarantees I still won't lose it, but you know. And while it wasn't a Wednesday, I went to another estate auction, and look at this. Look at this old kit from IMX, Back to the Future car from 1989, and this box certainly looks like it's from 1989. Yep, looks like it's got everything in it. Some are still in the original wrap, some isn't. And there's the Mr. Fusion machine. I think we'll do a separate box opening on this in another video. Yeah. Because what the heck? It's cool. Even after all these years, it's still a cool movie. And I got another thing. Now, remember, I did that big rig a while back. And now I got a great big rig. Or a lot more parts than the Kenworth that I did. But this one, I've actually been looking for the Freightliner FLC because it's in a movie that I just absolutely love, and I want to make a model of that particular truck. I'm not going to tell you the name on it right now because it's don't have it yet. Oh, and that was the estate auction that had my the Jungle Jim and Jungle Pam car, so I got to pick up the decals for that. And they had the decals for the Back to the Future car. Oh, and there's the flux capacitor. Out of time on the license plate. Haha. Oh, and I forget which model was that for? It's a Mobius. And I found a little extra detail in this when I got it home. Look at this. It's already got the trucker babes. Can't have a semi-truck without having the trucker mates sitting on there somewhere. Well, that's my score for this week. Actually, this was a pretty good week. So, thank you, Joe, for sponsoring the What Did You Get Wednesday series. And we'll be back next time on Pappy Tinkers. You guys stay good, build something cool, have fun, and we'll see you later.
For me, and have a wonderful day.